I'm Joseph Jouer. I'm the Parish Business Administrator at St. Rose of Lima. One of the first things that I realized that the parish needed drastically was an upgrade to the sound system. Because it's a stone structure and because it's round, echoes that come off of the surfaces of the walls in this church are difficult to get a good sound system to work in. And without intelligible spoken word, the meaning of the Mass oftentimes gets missed. And so I started shopping around. We chose EDC simply because I had a feeling that they had the expertise and the level of expertise that we were looking for. And they are exceptionally professional, from their chief technicians to their project managers, to their engineers, and to the salesperson that I've dealt with. And they may not always give you the answer that you want to hear, but they give you the correct answer, and it ultimately ends up being the right one. Parishes aren't wealthy institutions, and so for us to find the right person so we can do the job right the first time is critical. I would recommend EDC because they have integrity and honesty. They work through a process that has an unwavering sense of quality. It has been very easy to work with the people at EDC.